for footing. My name is Joel.
My name is Joshua. Today we are going to talk about the few Nerf guns that we own. Friends, this is Nerf Strife. It is an elite blaster.
And this is Fire Strike.
These both are elite blasters, which means they shoot this blue color elite foam darts. Now first I am going to tell about the Nerf Strife. We can attach silencer and you can add stocks here. This might be a small pistol, but you can make it a big gun by adding this, but you should buy it separately. When you buy it, it will come like this in the box. After you add accessories, it will become this much big. Okay. Now how we should keep the magazine? There's a magazine holder here. I'm taking this 18 darts magazine. You should keep it in this direction. See, now the darts are in the magazine. The darts are pointing this way, means the arrows. We should keep the darts that side, and this line means we should keep it at the front of the gun. If you keep it like this, it won't go inside because of the lock here. After you push it inside, this lock will hold into this so that it doesn't fall out. If you want to remove it, there's a button here. If you press it, that hook will go inside and we can remove the magazine. As I am going to show you, it's a semi-auto gun. See how it fires. See, let's shoot. Actually, when you buy it first time, they will give you this 6th round. If you want to upgrade it, you can buy that thing separately. They will sell on Nerf to make it bigger.
This is a Nerf Fire Strike gun. It is a manual gun. If we want to load, just pull the lever and we should shoot. We should click this button and we shoot. I'll show you. Look.
Again, it is an elite blaster. You should front load it, and it has 2 extra dart holder here. If after you shoot it, if you take the bullet from here, this is not going to shoot. It's just for holding darts. After take it from here and front load it, then pull the lever and, as you know, press the trigger. The special feature of this is the laser. You can point at it. See, you can see here, right? This is the laser. If you want to shoot it accurately, you can use the laser, but it always not shoots accurately.
Thank you for watching our video. Please click the like button and comment us. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Bye.